Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this episode, we're going to show you how to detect a bad coil pack using the smooth running test. All right, let's get to it. We're showing you this test using the Mercedes Star diagnostic tool. You can use any handheld scanner that shows the smooth running live test for each of the cylinders. And what you're going to be doing is watching the values that show how much the engine is correcting for the speed of that cylinder. The ECU needs to compensate for a bad coil pack. You're going to see a spike in the number, just like that. Now, we're not talking about a huge range. And as you see, that only occurred once. Here it is again. Watch cylinder 6, the fourth one down. There it goes. We've been chasing this rough idle issue for a while. We redid all of the vacuum hoses. We checked all the spark plug wires. Ultimately, we needed this smooth running test to confirm which cylinder and coil pack was the issue. And now we'll show you the test after we replaced the coil pack. Now here's the test after we replaced the coil pack. You can see cylinder 1 still doing some compensation. We'll keep an eye on that in the future, but it's not so out of range that it's triggering the fault. And as you can see, there's the range on the specified value that shows you the range the cylinder should be in for this engine. And this smooth running test is clutch if you need to diagnose an intermittent coil pack, a bad plug wire, or maybe even a bad plug. When you've ruled out all the other possibilities, this can help you narrow down which cylinder, and we hope this helps you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.